Excel Academy, Education Hub, Listening Day 3 by Sohail Sir.
Once upon a time in a quiet village, there was a little cat named Maximum. Max had soft, orange fur and bright green eyes. He lived with his kind owner, Sarah, in a cozy house with a beautiful garden. Every morning, Sarah would open the back door, and Max would run outside to play. Max loved the garden. He enjoyed chasing after colorful butterflies, climbing trees, and pouncing on fallen leaves. His favorite spot was a big oak tree with low branches, where he could sit and watch the world around him. One bright, sunny day, Max noticed a particularly beautiful butterfly. It had vibrant blue and yellow wings that shimmered in the sunlight. Max's eyes widened with excitement. He decided to catch this butterfly, so he crouched low and prepared to leap. The butterfly fluttered around the garden, landing on different flowers. Max followed carefully, trying not to make a sound. He leapt gracefully from one flower to another, his eyes never leaving the butterfly. Sarah watched from the porch, amused by Max's playful chase. Max was quick and nimble, but the butterfly was fast and clever. It danced around the garden, teasing Maximum. He ran under bushes, over stones, and even tried climbing the oak tree. At last, after a lot of running and jumping, Max managed to catch the butterfly gently in his paws. Max looked at the butterfly with curiosity. It was beautiful and delicate. He didn't want to hurt it, so he opened his paws slowly. The butterfly fluttered its wings and flew away, circling around Max before disappearing into the sky. Sarah came out with a bowl of tasty fish treats for Maximum. She petted him and praised him for his playful chase. Max ate the treats happily and then settled down in his favorite spot on the porch. The sun was warm, and a gentle breeze made the leaves rustle. As Max lay there, he felt happy and content. He had enjoyed a wonderful adventure and had a delicious meal. That night, Max curled up in his soft bed, dreaming of more exciting adventures in the garden. He knew that every day could bring something new and fun. So, Max lived happily, always eager for the next day's adventures, surrounded by love and joy in his cozy home with Sarah.